More than 30% of agricultural production depends on insect pollination. Among them, bees play an indispensable role in preserving ecosystems. Véto-pharma is a world leader in bee health, an essential niche market for global biodiversity. As a French pharmaceutical laboratory, we focus all our knowledge and expertise on developing, manufacturing, and marketing innovative solutions. Our team's daily mission is to support bee health and improve beekeeping practices, which are essential for crop pollination, the food system, and the sustainable development of our planet. Quality is at the heart of our commitments. Our GMP-certified production site and our experienced research and development team are at the service of the beekeeping industry. This is why we are among the major players in animal health with a tailor-made offer that accompanies the most significant European companies in the sector. Guided by the concept of One Health, our 90 passionate and experienced employees work every day with the ambition to positively influence the animal industry and the food system of our planet.